pretty picture.
Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm at my buddy Ron's house, and look, he's been busy. See that? Look at that guy. He's been busy because he's been putting together the Jansno X70. 60. No, this is the 70. I don't remember what I got. Just put together Jansno X70. Hey, check it out. We got 2 batteries, big headlight, really tall bike for tall riders. Yeah, motorcycle style. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Look at that. Looks pretty good. Yeah, so we're going to be getting this on the road. We're going to go test it right now and see how it performs.
It's in one.
All right, guys, we're going to see if Ron put this together right, because he normally doesn't do that on his own. And who knows, maybe the wheel falls off. There he goes. Hot dog. I don't think he turned it on. I think he forgot to turn it on. Look at that. I bet he forgot to turn it on. He's down there pedaling it manually. He's done that before. Yeah, he has. All right, Ron, where'd you go? Where, oh, where is Ronnie? Where, oh, where is Ronnie? Where, oh, where is Ronnie? Where did Ronnie go? Come on, Ron. Well, we're gonna have to go down here. I might have to get on my bike and go rescue him. There he comes. There he is. The Jansno X70. Single motor, dual battery.
Rides good.
He said it rides good. There he goes. He's liking it. I'm liking it. Guys, check it out. You'll find the links down below.
You want to try it?
Of course I do.
I do want to tighten these up a little tighter. They're not moving.
All right.